This is. I was kind of surprised to see this.
McAllister, you're a lockpicking attorney. You hear that?
All right, McAllister, you're a mechanic special.
This is a sponsored build by Deep Cool.
Yep.
And we're going to shill for Deep Cool. All right, here we go. It outperforms. So let's not waste any more time and dive into this PC build and talk about each individual part and how it makes up. This PC build, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna keep running with that. The Athlon 3000G is a subjective. I'm really, this is so bad.
This is the one.
It's the bloopers. All right, this is the one. Is it actually worth picking up at, I don't know what I'm saying. I totally messed it up. All right. Hi, I see I'm very zoomed in at the moment. Cooler?
That we've come. I'm not stopping the recording.
Oh, McAllister. He's not stopping the recording. So when you ask me where that clip is.
We're gonna say you better just watch the whole damn video.
Yeah, instead of cutting like you think you know what you're doing. God, there's like a thick cable.
He actually complains more than Zach.
He's gonna hear this, he's gonna look at us and be like, are you freaking kidding me? Gengar gang. Gengar gang. I mean, if McAllister's good and caught up and...
Meet me at hotspot.
No, stop moving.
Stop moving.
It's wobbling.
All right.
You don't see it? Oh, no! Gimme! He took it and got all this stuff, then they shit a bit. And then they shit.
I think it's freaking, dude, I'm telling you, McAllister just like gives out our info.
What if McAllister just keeps calling us? Seems like something he would do.
Oh, fuck.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
So what we were going to do here,
Hey, how's it going, guys? Matt and Jack here with the Toasty.
Whoa, whoa, excuse me.
Yeah, I threw it back.
Oh, okay. You know what could go there, right?
Our penises?
No, VA, I know VA.
They've definitely gotten bigger since the Game Boy and the Nintendo DS, I'll tell you that.
Heck yeah. All right.
How many CUDA cores you say it had?
Some cooter cores. It's like, then I can get some fucking Taco Bell.
Hey, McAllister and Zach, you guys aren't here today, and we're getting
a party pack. McAllister's gonna be so upset. I benchmarked on 3D. This looks like on Friday we're eating Zach's ass.
Are we really?
That's what it says right here, eat Zach's ass.
I'm down with it. I spy with my little eye.
I spy. No. Somebody stole something from me. No, it was, I had for the Amazon versus Newegg, my Amazon SSD showed up and we thought it was for something else. So, yeah. It's the same one I got though, so. See, you know what? I found the same one. Wait, what are you doing? There's some weird Inception thing going on here?
Dun 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 dun. Bam, 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 bam. Okay.
Oh my fucking Christ.
Come get this setup from Peas. Hey, bro.
Penis bros.
Those penis bros.
All right. And that is all inside of this beautiful V-True case with these
Moose Tex.
Here we have. Yes.
All right.
All right.
That's so fucking big.
Well, you know, most of them. This is a, what was it again? 8 core, 16 thread?
10 core, 16
10 core, 16 thread. I think I'm gonna switch to Linux, dude.
Has anyone ever told you? You just have really pretty eyes.
Why is this man coming in here talking like that?
Jackson, has anyone ever told you that them cheeks be looking fine?
Zach, I swear, bro, if you miss this, you're gay as hell. You're gay as hell. When is this video going live? When do we need to do the giveaway one?
We already missed it. Like, literally when we decided on it, we were already past it.
Legit, ready to go ones at our PC selling business. Fuck. All right, I'm saying something different.
All right, just mix it up.
And if you don't want to have to worry about hunting for, God, I'm having trouble. And if you don't want to worry about having to,
It's one of those. Bro, we got 7 minutes.
this, and you want a real working man's,
A real working man's gaming PC.